Hey everybody, we're about to go to Anaruby Falls here in northern Georgia. Yay, it's right near the place that we're staying. It's the Unicoi State Park Lodge. And for the first 2 nights we're staying in the lodge, and we're going to be staying in the barrel room. It's like a room inside of a barrel. Woohoo! For those of you who have never been to Anaruby before, neither have we, but we heard that there is a charge of $5 a person, so just be aware of that, even if you have a Georgia State Park pass, because it is apparently more of a federal land than state land. So, with that said, onwards to Anaruby Falls!
See you there!
Here we go. There's Tracy. They have gift shops here, but most importantly, we're going to see the falls. So that is pretty cool.
That is awesome.
Yay. It's colder today, so that's why we're bundled up. It's early April, right? Like April 9th.
Oh, that's cool.
But you'll see the same exact stuff when you come here in the summer.
What?
But it's probably going to be a lot more crowded in the summer. Really looking forward to this. We love waterfalls and raging rivers. Look at this. Oh. Got fencing here, keep people from falling over the edge. There's a dog here. Coming up straight ahead up there. Wow. Yeah. Falls are amazing. We're growing. We're heading on towards the bridge now. Almost a pig. We're here at Unicoi Falls.
Yay, we made it!
Yay, woohoo! Thank you for watching this episode of Adventures with Dan and Tracy. Unicoi Falls was an amazing experience. We highly recommend it whenever you are in northern Georgia. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, leave any questions or comments that you might have about Unicoi Falls. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Adventures with Dan and Tracy. Woohoo! Now we're gonna get something to eat.
Yes.
Yum.
And warm up.
Yes. Oh, and here's Smokey.